ekwulekwuTV. Who is calling?
Ochako Maka, this guy is madly in love with me, and I can see it in his eyes, Ocha.
Congratulations.
But Ocha, there is a problem.
Problem pa?
Ocha, this guy cannot open his mouth and talk to me, and he cannot even look straight into my eyes for like 5 seconds. He is a very shy person.
Are you sure this guy is in love with you?
It is written all over his face, Ocha.
Then, what are you waiting for?
Ocha, you don't expect me to walk up to him and tell him I love you. Can we be together? Ocha, I am a woman now. I cannot do it.
Baby, use your torchlight. Torchlight the guy and possess your possession before you start blaming the powers of your father's house.
Ocha, I have tried all my best and I don't know what to do again. What is remaining now is for me to go out on the street and start shouting my love for him.
Baby, Diamante, did you call me method is all you need?
What?
Yes, baby. You only apply this method when you are sure that he is dying to talk to you, but doesn't know how to start. Walk up to him and drop your question like a bomb and say something like,
"Did you call me?"
That is it, baby. And you will hear something like,
"No, I did not call you."
No, baby. You know what will happen? All the long-awaited wishes and imaginations and words he wants to say to you will come out at the same time. Do you know what you will hear, baby? Stammering. He will stammer the whole feelings and the whole words out, and he will be like, That is it, baby. But don't allow that stammering to get to full stop. If you allow him to finish it, baby, you will not like the ending.
What do I do?
Jump in.
Jump into where, Ocha?
Finish up the stammering for him. Tell him, don't worry, dear. We can talk about it later. Maybe over the dinner. And then
I have a date with him. Ocha.
Baby, go get him. Possess your possession. Ndowa. Ndala. Hey! Please, write us on WhatsApp to tell us any video you want us to do. Follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video. Thank you.